guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Sophia, and I've been off for a while because I was getting married, preparing for my wedding and all of that. And this is a story about my bridal shower and also unboxing of the gifts my pretty ladies gave me. So we have here baby clothes. I don't know, my girls, guys. So I grew up in another state and got married in another state. I grew up in Abuja and my wedding was in Port Harcourt. So it looks like a teddy swear. I had literally no friend in Port Harcourt. Thank you, girls, if you're watching this. This is so cute and lovely. I think I'll buy teddy bear first and be using it pending when I have a child. Oh my god. So we lodged in the same hotel. So they were saying they were hungry. Bridal shower was never in my plan of things to do because I just felt okay, I'm actually believe that bridal shower for northern brides because they do the whole same forth thing, but for we Igbo is a traditional marriage and all of that, even if the bridal shower is a trend now. So I didn't have it in mind. Let's see what's in my present. Thank you, Lavina. This is from Lavina. Yeah, she sent it all the way. She was not there. So this is also from Jachima. This gown, guys, I can't wait to rock it. People will see on this gown. Though the boobs is a little big, I have to work on it, but off shoulder, really pretty with slits. So I now went out to buy food for this girl. So some of the wraps, they removed the wraps, and because someone said I shouldn't touch it until the wraps are removed and put it on. So I just got back from the hotel, then I decided to film because I especially told them to put all the bridal shower gifts in one place and the wedding gifts and the traditional marriage gifts different places. So we have a lot of unboxing to do, guys. Yeah, my store is filled with gifts. So I went to buy food. I went to Chicken Republic, not too far from the hotel, booked a taxi. I went to some of the girls, I think about 4, Vicky, Faith, and Tyra, to buy food for the other ladies. Oh my god, these plates are so cute. Oh, it's so cute, it's so cute. Guys, it's so cute. I think about 4 of them. Oh my god. It's the colors for me. I like lemon green. So I stepped out to get them food. So these 2 things are from one person. So this gown, the girl that gave me this pack, I think she got the gown. And this was the gown I wore for the big clothed me with on the bridal shower day. Like, show me your back, some shower vibes. Guys, really nice gown. Good, more clothes to slay. And guys, I think this should be from Funa. Really thoughtful bridal shower gift. After eating, they say it's flaked almond shortbread rounds. After eating, I'm definitely going to use this pack to put something in my kitchen. It looks so cute. Like, it's just too cute. Ooh, see what is inside. Nice. I just like the packaging of this biscuit. It's really nice. It's just some thoughtful good gift ideas. So guys, I went to get them the food, and then I now came back also. I was like, we should go and guys, Riri by Rihanna. My friends are just watch out for part 2 of this video to see everything that went down in the bridal shower. Now it's just unboxing. Okay, this pack, see what it looks like. My god, it's so lovely. It has a fragrance. Oh my god, and it's so large. It's so so nice. Oh my god, it's so large. It smells so good. And we have this body lotion and shower gel. Oh, someone is gonna Nice. Thank you, babies. I love it. So guys, I went to buy food only for me to come back and guess what? I was going to different rooms sharing the food. This one is still boxed. I think this one is from the girl. She didn't attend the wedding, so I think someone gave it to me when I was coming back from the hotel. Yeah, so she said I was sharing the food only for me to get into one particular room, and all I know was difficult, and my scissors is not clearing. I think it was crazy. You have to just watch out for. Oh my god. It has a note inside. Oh my god, this girl. It has 2 beautiful mugs. Oh, I think it's customized. Guys. I love this one. I love this one. Oh, like really nice mugs. Good. Oh, from Ina. Oh my god, I love this girl. The black girl. Okay, I think the black girl is from Tyre. Wish you both a happy married life. Okay, let's read what's in the notes. Dear Sophie, I'm sorry I had to miss out on your big day. I was really looking forward to sharing all the vibes and happiness with you. I'm so happy that you're taking this big step with a man you're totally in love with. Okay, I'm glad that you are beyond happy, because that's what matters, because love is the greatest commandment. I pray your love for each other and genuine friendship will outweigh every obstacle. I especially picked the scriptures and the mugs for you. I hope to minister to you both every step of the way through this journey. Lots of love. Thank you, Lavina. Thank you. I'm too excited. I think I should calm down. I'm ruining my hair, my wig, everything. Let's see the Bible passage on Queen Feeling. Let's see the Bible passages she selected on the mug. So on the mug we have Psalm 144 verse 12 to 14, New Living Translation. It says, may our sons flourish in their youth like well-nurtured plants. May our daughters be like graceful pillars carved to beautify a palace. May our barns be filled with crops of every kind. May our flock in our field multiply by the 1,000, even of 10,000, and may our oxen be loaded down with produce. May there be no enemy breaking through our walls. Amen. On going into captivity, no cries of alarm in our town square. Psalm 144 verse 12 to 14. Thank you, Lovina. This is just a very thoughtful present. Oh my god, I need to show my husband this. Like, okay, there's another mug with a different. Remember, she said she specially selected the Bible passages. That's why I'm reading it. She specially picked scriptures on the mugs for me. Yeah. So she said, love is patient. 1 Corinthians 13, 4 to 7, New Living Translation. Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful or proud or rude. It does not demand its own way. It is not irritable, and it keeps no record of being wrong. It does not rejoice about injustice, but rejoice whenever the truth wins out. Love never gives up, never loses faith. It's always hopeful and endures through every circumstance. Love. Thank you. I'm going to call her after filming. I must call her after filming a video. Like, these mugs are so thoughtful. I'm just going to drop them in my center table with the whole Bible passage thing and the box. Whoa. My friends. So guys, what's I have the best friends. I do have. Wow, this should be from Cynthia. Guys, this bag, like I remember before I got married and moved, we went to a store together and I was like, God, I love this handbag, only for this girl to buy the handbag when coming, and she gave me after the bridal shower. I feel so loved. I shouldn't cry on camera. I shouldn't cry on camera. And guy, I don't know who I'm still trying to get what is this. It says storage set. See, storage set, and from here it looks like, wow. I think I'm going to use this for my laundry. Yup. See what this looks like. And so this is like a very thoughtful gift. Oh, it's like a box. Guys, see. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Then it has a cover. Oh my god, guys, my girls. I don't know who got this, but whoever got this is so pretty. It has this like a bigger cover. Oh my god, it's storage seat. Oh, a storage seat. I think we can even sit on it. Oh my god, see, she's on it. Wow, this is really thoughtful. Like, I've always wanted a small seat, but since I came here, I've not been able to do that. Moving here was not easy. Like, I had to weigh my things, then fly over. So I think this wrapper, is there a note inside? Okay, no note inside. This is from Uyai. This is about 2 wrappers. Yeah. Thank you, Uyai. Good. I didn't mention all their names because most of them didn't even put their names on it. Trust me. Good. I feel so loved. God. Guys. So all these were packed in one bag. Still from the same lady that gave me the other one. And wow, this one is really thick. Oh, this is Holland. This is wax, super wax. That's also super wax. Wow, some good wrappers. Okay, oh. At least you guys would have even put a name. So I was like, oh, this should be from Dima. This girl came all the way from Lagos to Port Harcourt, booked her. She was one of the first people that booked her ticket, and she was telling me, Sophia, because I was really scared. I was like, are you sure anybody can make it down? Because we just graduated from school a few years ago. Most of them were not working. Long story short, she came with a present. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is from Christiana, guys. I feel so blessed. That is just it. And we have here, Victory got me a kid pad. I don't have a baby yet, but I'll definitely gift it to a baby because I can't keep it from now till 9 months or whenever I'm going to have a baby. I don't know when. That one is in God's hands. So I'm going to gift it to a baby. I just want to say I feel so loved. Like, these girls, I was like, for them planning the whole bridal shower and everything, I felt, oh my, they have done so much. And oh, there's one slippers I already started wearing because I had no slippers to wear. I just saw the box, I opened it. It was bought by one of the girls too. I think by Sabina also. I feel so loved. Guy, my bridal shower started. Watch out for part 2 of this video to see how it all went down. Okay guys, thank you for watching to this point this time. I love you so much. See you in the part 2 of this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button. I also want to press the subscription button. I need to start packing all these things, keeping them where they are meant to be. So I'm really tired. Like, being a bride is not easy. It's stressful. Okay, see you in my next video.